Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let me show you how to use the simple help center in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's jump into it. The first thing you got to do is to log into your Simple account. So go on to Simple's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you're going to click on the help button that's in the top navigation bar. And once you clicked on that, you're going to select help center from the drop down menu. Next, you're going to search for a topic or question using the search bar. So just go ahead and type in your questions, or you can just search up a topic. And once you have the answer, you can browse through articles and FAQs that are related to your search topic. And you can read through the articles and follow the instructions or tip provided to take care of your concerns. That's pretty much it on how to use the Simple Help Center in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.